going to show you how to make a 3D text to upload into Opensim or any other virtual world of your choice. First of all, I've got my little guy here. It's the size of a normal avatar, so I can just kind of use him as a reference. Okay, the first thing we want to do is add text, and that's going to put his text there. Now it's in object mode right now, so we can move it around or whatever we want to. But we want to go into edit mode down here, edit mode. Now we can actually type or backspace, whatever you want to do. So we need to go ahead and select our font. So to do that, just go over to your properties tab over here, click on the little A, and you'll see all this stuff. Now what you want to go into is down here to where it says font, and this way you can go ahead and choose your font you want to. Regular, bold, italic, whatever. So I'm just going to go to regular, and the folder will open up our fonts. Now yours will probably look like this, but I have my thumbnails enabled up here, so I'm able to see what I want to pick. Let's pick this one. Open font, and it automatically changes. Now to get our depth to it, we're just going to go back into the object mode, and then we are going to find geometry in this area, geometry, and we're going to see the first two things will be offset and extrude. We just want to extrude it. So if we just slide it up this way, you can see our text, and we can get it as thick as we want to. Now the good thing about this, if you go into edit mode again, you can add more text or whatever. And before we upload it, we have to convert it to a mesh. Easiest way to do it, go back to object mode, go to object here, go up to convert to, well, we have to select it first, object, convert to mesh, and there you go. That's it right there. You can save this as a DAW file and upload it.